Here we are, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to the channel. It's Paul again. Hey, glad to see you. I just climbed a hill on my bike there, over there through that neighborhood. So we're at the top of a hill, and there's an old farm here. And this is the pathway that I take every day home. And I wanted to show you my setup for today. I have my Dahon Hit pandemic special bike, folding bike, along with, hey puppy, hi, along with my trailer. And this is a Burley Travoy trailer. And I'll show you where it says Burley. Burley Travoy. And I am bringing home a rack. What a nice dog. Thank you. And so I just wanted to show you. And then I'll be heading down that way. Okay, see you guys later.